Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2022. Question number 4A is a frictionless constant pressure piston cylinder device initially contains 0.01 meter cube of argon gas at 400 Kelvin and C50 kPa. Heat is now transferred to argon from a furnace at 1200 Kelvin and argon expands isothermally until the volume is doubled. No heat transfer takes place between argon and surrounding atmospheric air, which is at T naught 300 T naught is equal to 300 Kelvin and P naught is equal to 100 kPa. Determine 1 the useful work output, 2 the energy destroyed, 3 the reversible work, and 4 the maximum available work for this process. For argon, take R is equal to 0.2081 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Celsius. So first of all, first part of the question is, first question is the useful work output. So the useful work output is your actual work output minus P naught change in volume. So actual work is according to isothermal process occurring in the cylinder is your isothermal heat is now transferred to argon. Heat is now transferred to air argon expands. Heat is now transferred to argon from a furnace at 1200 degree Kelvin and argon expands isothermally until the volume is doubled. So that is your isothermal process. So in isothermal process, the actual work done is MRT ln V2 by V1, and V2 by V1 is given as 2 because volume is doubled, and MRT here is PV, pressure of initial pressure is given, volume is given. So using gas law, MRT is equal to PV. So PV is your 350 into 10 power 3 for kPa to PA, and volume is 0.01 initial volume. So we can put this and find out actual work. So actual work comes at 2426.0150, and P naught is your 10 number 3 Pascal, and V2 is double of initial, so that is 0.02. So putting this value, we get useful work as 1426.01 joule. Okay. So the next is energy. Next question is energy restored. So as isothermal process is taking place in the piston cylinder device, so change in internal energy 0, so dq will be equal to dw. If we divide it by t and integrate it, then this part will be your entropy and this part will be your dw by t, and dw is your pdv. So pdv is p can be written as mr p by v. So t will cancel out, so it will be mr dv by v, or we can take mr as outside integration because it is their constant. So dv by v integration is there. So its solution is mr ln v2 by v1. So, and work done we have obtained that mrt ln v2 by v1. So this is almost same, but extra t there. If we divide this quantity with t, then we get this quantity. So this quantity is your 2426.015, and temperature is your 400 for argon. Okay. So change in entropy of argon comes as 6.065 joule per Kelvin. Okay. So now the heat transfer is same as that of work done. Okay. So dq is equal to dw. So that heat is gained from surrounding. So it means surrounding is furnace, and furnace loses this much of heat at 1200 Kelvin. So decrease in entropy of the furnace is this, or surrounding is this. So change in entropy of universe or entropy generation is this plus this with their sign. So that is 4.0432 joule per Kelvin. and we know that energy transfer is ambient temperature into entropy generation, so that should be 1213 joule. Okay, so the next question is reversible work, so that is your maximum work. So W max is formula is U1 minus T naught S1 minus U2 minus T naught S2 within bracket. So as process is isothermal, so U1 is equal to U2, so the maximum work is T naught S2 minus S1, and S2 minus S1 we have calculated this quantity using entropy of argon or within cylinder, so that is your 1819.5 joule. Okay, so now next part is maximum available work. Maximum available work is that you the W max minus P naught due to minus P1. Okay, so that useful work is W is only W actual minus this quantity, but maximum useful work is maximum work minus this quantity. So this we have calculated, and this we have also calculated. Okay, so that is that comes as 819.5. We have used this here also. Okay, same thing. So now we will change this W actual to this W actual to W maximum. W maximum we have calculated to calculate maximum available work, 819.57 joule.